So, hey guys, I'm gonna be making slime today. So yeah, wait, be right back. Okay, I'm back. So, oh my god, this is so heavy. I have a whole gallon of Elmer's glue, and all you will need, I already said the Elmer's glue, Gain. You need Gain, or any type of activator like borax, contact solution, baking soda. No, not baking soda, but let me show you my noise putty. This is my noise putty, and look. I don't know what to do. Look. Ew, why are you farting, guys? Okay, so let me just put that away. And let's get started with the slime. So first you need your Elmer's glue, or any type of glue you need. Like any type of glue. Glitter glue. So I know you can't see my plate, so be right back. Okay, I'm back. So all you need is Elmer's glue. So I'm gonna open my Elmer's glue. Oh my god, this keeps getting stuck to it. Sorry, this keeps getting stuck. Oh my god, I forgot my spoon. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. I got my spoon right here. So I just forgot about my spoon. I don't know why, but let me put my glue in here. Okay, that's too much. Okay, just put this. No, just leave it here. Trying to put this back, but I can't. Okay, let me just do this. It will take a while for me, but not for you guys. So, okay, finally I fixed it. So, put my Gain in here. Wait, let me just mix this all around. Oh, we're backwards. So, look. So, it's not forming right now because I didn't put my Gain. So, I'm gonna put my Gain. Okay, that's too much, but I think that's okay. Just gonna add little by little. You can have detergent, whichever kind of detergent. And, yeah, like, if you don't have, like, contact solution or borax, and if you have detergent to wash your clothes, then you can use that to make slime. But if you don't have, there's other types of ways to make slime. So let me just show you that in the next video. So this is going to take a while. So let me just mix it for a second. So I think I'm ready, but I just need to knead it. Oh my gosh, that took me a while to put it and put in Gain and start kneading. But I'm kneading it right now. But this is my first time making slime. Not my first time, on my second time or third. So yeah. Oh wow, that makes good bubbles. So I want to do on the counter. So I'm just gonna sing a song. I think if you don't like it, you don't have to. But let me just hear this. Right, that's so good. I think this is one of the best slime I've ever made. What container do I put it in? I don't know. So, it started getting like, it's sticky and all, but not stretchy. What do I put in it to make it stretchy? I wish you guys could talk to me, but okay, so I think I'm done with this video. So let me go where I always do my outros, okay? So, okay, wait. Just need a. Okay, I'm here, and I think okay, there's still slime on me, but my slime is so good. I'm gonna sell this slime. So remember, I do videos every single day. So you can see and click that notification button. And if you subscribe, you could put but please like this video, and I'll see you tomorrow, Morenitos.